Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm excited because we're going to be opening my FabFitFun box. FabFitFun, besides being a tongue twister, is also a subscription box that you get 4 per year. It's a seasonal box, so you get one winter, spring, summer, and fall. The box has fashion, beauty, wellness, and health items in them, and they are worth over $200, but you can get your seasonal box for $49.99 or purchase the annual subscription of $179.99. I got the annual because I like that once it opens for the season, you can choose your items. I know that the surprise factor is fun, but to be honest, then I forget what I got. So it ends up being a surprise, and it's stuff that I enjoy, that I know I'm going to enjoy. So if you're new here, welcome. My name is Maria Luisa. I hope you decide to stay and subscribe and ring that notification bell to get notified every time I upload a new video. And without further ado, let's get unboxing. All right, so I didn't zoom in the camera because the box is huge. And like I said, this one is the spring box. This was what it looks like. It has butterflies, which I love butterflies. And I have not opened it. I've seriously had it sitting there for like 2 weeks now because I've been wanting to open it on camera so that I could be excited along with you guys and see what I got. I did order some add-ons this time because they allow you to order some add-ons. And I got like this brush, which is a detangle brush. It's nice. I mean, you get products at like 50 to 60% off, but this one is supposedly over $200. So we're going to see. And I'm going to get this one now, and then the summer, and so forth. So enough of the suspense. Let's do it. All right. So, all right. Hello. It's a big one. It's a big one. I don't have that big of a desk. All right, so it comes with the magazine, and it's called it's called FabFitFun. I dare you to say that quickly 5 times. And it comes with like little articles. We're spilling the tea, catch your Z's, common sleep myths. And then and they're talking in this issue about Gina Rodriguez, it looks like. So I'm going to be excited to read that, set that aside. And then it also giving me $45 off the Bright Sellers, which it looks like it is wine. So I'll probably gift that to a friend because I don't drink wine. And then Bite, you look good, but you're about to look better. Bite me. I don't know what this is. Oh, it's a aligner treatment at home. So apparently this is, I don't know, maybe if you have an overbite. Oh no, straighten and brighten your smile at home. 6 times faster, 65% less expensive than braces. Huh. I need braces. I never got around to having this tooth straightened out, and I'm always self-conscious about it. But my mom had me wear something like this when I was young, and I wasn't religious about it. I always kept taking it out. It was annoying, and I didn't realize how beneficial this would be and how much I would want to have straight teeth when I grew up. But as kids, we don't care. And then I've got the a coupon for 9 free meals from HelloFresh. I haven't tried this because I've heard really good reviews, and then I've seen some bad reviews. So I'm not sure. Maybe I might give it a try for the 9 meals and see if it's true or not true. All right, so it says sure to win, and then hashtag FabFitFun. I don't know what I need to share to win, but let's see what's in the box. All right, so we're starting off with, and I think what is in the box, the descriptions are in here, if I'm not mistaken. I think that I saw that last month. Oh yeah, what's in the box? So yes, it comes with that. So I will be describing what's in the box based on what I got. So I've got this Pureless watermelon energizing 2-minute polishing peel. And let me look that up here. Here it is. And this one is worth, what does it say the price? Oh, wait. Hold please. It has, okay, so Pureless watermelon energizing 2-minute polishing peel infused with extracts of watermelon and lychee. I like lychees. Have you ever had a martini? Lychee martini? Totally recommend it. And glycolic acid. Glycolic acid is great for hyperpigmentation and wrinkles. This polish will give your skin a burst of freshness. And this one is worth $35. So I'm excited to try this. I don't like the exfoliating peel, ones with little things in it because they say they can cause little micro tears in your skin. And then I have 111 Skin Rose Gold Radiance Booster. So this is a booster illuminator. So this is kind of what it looks like. And so according to the according to the pamphlet or this little booklet, enhance your skin's natural radiance with this blend of Rosa Damascena, I don't know if I said that correct, extract and pure gold. Pure gold. How about that? This is valued at $135. Wow, that's crazy. So it's a full size, so there you go. Already, you guys can do the math because I won't do the math right now. And then I got the Revive. Oh, I'm excited about this one. I forgot that I chose it. It's a wrinkle treatment. And it's got glow wrinkle treatment. It's a Revive light therapy. I'm so excited to try this because I've heard that it's really, really good for your skin for like little wrinkles and stuff. Let me read what it's all about to you guys. Here it is. So this is light therapy, glow wrinkle, and anti-aging light device. Stimulate collagen and elastin with this multi-wave light device. It is $68. So I will keep you guys posted and let you guys know how this works. It has infrared light, red light, and amber light. So I'm really excited to try this. And this one, like I said, is $68. So we're well over the 200 mark now. Then I have, I'm excited about these two. See, you forget what you picked. These are silicone straws. So this includes 4 silicone straws, a brush cleaner, and carrying case so you can sip your drinks on the go. Oh, it even has a nice little carrying case. Nice. I bought some before and they ended up all over the place. So this is kind of what it looks like. It's got the little brush. And how am I supposed to carry them in here? Well, I guess I can bend them, is my assumption, because they're silicone. Yeah, they feel like they're bendy. I'm like, how am I supposed to do this? All right, so I'm glad they have a little straw because I always end up throwing the reusable ones away because I don't have a little, cleaner, not a little straw, a little cleaner. Because I think that's disgusting, especially now that we have to be super careful nowadays. Don't forget to wash your hands. We have to be super careful nowadays with our hygiene. All right, but in reality, we should have been washing our hands all the time anyway. That makes me laugh because now it's like, wash your hands, and we should have been washing our hands all the time, but whatever. And we have Scandinavia. Scandinavia is, no. Right, so this one was not in my little magazine, so I have no idea. I would have to look it up to see how much it costs. I've heard good things about it. So it says it's a makeup finishing spray. It's a weightless mist, keeps your makeup looking flawless and locks in color. Helps to prevent makeup from creasing or melting while minimizing the need for touch-ups, absorbs quickly, and lasts for up to, how many hours? Lasts for up to 16 hours for all skin types. So excited to try that one, but it's not in my little magazine, so I have no idea what it's worth. Then I have Deep Sleep Body Cocoon. Ooh. Deep Sleep Body Cocoon is from This Works, and use this cream to bring calm and relaxation while nourishing your skin, and it's worth $40 retail. So this is for better nights and brighter mornings. Also, it's probably got some ingredients to relax you. Use nightly after bathing and before bedtime to restore and nourish the skin whilst you sleep. It's got shea butter, cranberry, camelina, sativa oils, and pure essential oils of lavender. That's where the sleep part comes in. Lavender is good for putting you to sleep, for making you sleepy. Vetiver and chamomile to help improve sleep quality. They say if you take chamomile tea before bed, it makes you feel really good, and it helps even with acne, I believe. Then I've got Damage Remedy from Aveda, and I've heard really good things, especially for colored hair like me, that I have highlights and really bleach my hair a lot. Instantly repair and protect your hair from heat styling up to 450 degrees. Oh, nice. With the power of quinoa, protein, macadamia oil, and soy. And this one is worth $31 retail. So I'm excited because I've heard really good things about this one. I tend to be a little bit allergic to Aveda products for some reason, but hopefully that one doesn't make me break off. Crossing my fingers on that one. And then I have Cosmetics Pure C Vitamin C Mixing Crystals. So this is a pure mixing crystals, and this one is 3D. Add a dose of the 100% absorbic acid to your nighttime serum or moisturizer. I like to use vitamin C in the morning, so I might do that in the morning moisturizer. But it's $54 for this itty bitty thing. Wow, that's crazy. It comes like a little salt shaker type of deal. And I think that's it. I think that's all I got. Pretty sure. Yeah. Yup. That is it, folks. Which it ended up being like $300. Pretty much for home, I got the straws, the silicone straws. I didn't get any of the clothes or the makeup bags or the umbrella, because it was like, there was these cute bowls too, right there, if you could see those. Not big on the bowls, because you could buy those at, I could find those at Home Goods for a good price. And then there's this mat that really didn't go with any of my decor, and this little necklace that, no. But I'm excited with it. I love skincare. I'm excited to use this, and yay! And I'm excited to try the products out and let you guys know if they are worth it or not. Like I said, that's almost like over $300, I think. Well, at least it's over, yeah, it's for sure over 200, but. So anyway, that is all for this video. I'm excited to try these products and give you an update on what I think and how they work, and if I would repurchase them. And if you want to see more of these videos with boxing subscription boxes, I can do the BoxyCharm and the Allure that I also have subscribed to. So if you like that kind of thing, leave that in the comments below, and I'll make sure to film those. And if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. That helps my channel, and it helps YouTube know to share it with other people. Or if you also want to share this video that you think somebody might like it, please, please, please do. And I will talk to you in the next one. Bye.